everyone. Welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am going to show you how to make Haitian Akra Malanga Fritters. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. As you can see here, those are the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. Malanga, homemade seasoning, complete seasoning, pepper flakes, Maggie cube, and salt. Remove the skin of the malanga. Add them in water to prevent them from turning brown. Now I am going to use a grater to grating the malanga. Don't forget to check the description below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Look at that, guys. Adding the seasoning, give a good mix, just like that. Make sure your frying pan is nice and hot. Add the oil. Also, you don't want to use too much oil so your fritters don't be too greasy. You can decide how you want your fritters to be. I prefer my fritters not to be too thin. When it's too thin, it's too greasy, and when it's too thick, it's undercooked. So you want to get the nice, perfect size of your choice. This smells amazing. Get the whole house smell like fritters. Looking good. Now you can turn it until nice and golden brown on both sides. There you have it, Haitian Malanga Fritters. Thank you for your precious time. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.